Welcome to our comparison of two popular mini washing machines, the WonderWash and the Nixod portable washing machine. In this video, we will explore their unique features, specifications, and how they cater to your laundry needs. Whether you're living in a small apartment or need a portable solution for your travels, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring physical effort to wash your clothes, which can be a great energy-saving option. On the other hand, the Nixod portable washing machine is electric, making it easier and more convenient for users who prefer a hands-off approach. This difference in operation type can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially in terms of energy consumption and ease of use. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads or delicate items. In contrast, the Nixod boasts a larger capacity of 15 liters, which is approximately equivalent to washing one adult load. This makes the Nixod a better choice for users who need to wash more clothes at once. The WonderWash features a charming retro design and is made from durable ABS plastic, while the Nixod is designed for modern convenience with its foldable structure and additional features like a spin basket and timer settings. These design differences not only affect aesthetics, but also functionality and storage options, making them suitable for different user preferences. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and Nixod portable washing machines offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. If you value energy efficiency and a manual approach, the WonderWash is a fantastic choice. However, if you prefer the convenience of electric washing and a larger capacity, the Nixod is likely the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.